Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind Workshop. Just a quick video today, just to let you know that I haven't gone anywhere. So I've got a new Japanese pull saw and I've got no space to store it. So today I'm going to make a new storage system for all my pull saws, hacksaw and panel saw, which will take up less space on the tool wall. So what I want to do is have them all stored this way round so they're easily grabbable and they sort of take up less room, hopefully. And not really sure how I'm going to do it yet. I'm just going to make it as I go and tell you about how I did it afterwards. So this is what I've got so far. I've not filmed a lot of it because I've found it very fiddly. So the pieces of dowel sit in the wedge-shaped gaps, and hopefully what should happen is the saw should sit like that. It's not the neatest of jobs, but it'll do me. Now I think normally people cap the top of this to stop the pieces of dowel from being knocked out, but I'm going to leave it for now just to make sure it works properly and maybe do it at a later date. So as you can see, it does sort of work, but there's definitely room for improvement.